In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable custom suggestions in Gmail, whether you're hoping to streamline your email writing process or simply increase your productivity. Enabling custom suggestions can make a significant difference. Let's walk through the steps together, and I'll provide some helpful tips along the way. First, you'll want to open Gmail and log into your account. If you're not already on the Gmail homepage, just enter gmail.com into your browser's address bar and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to the right account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find an icon that looks like a gear or cog. This is your settings menu. Clicking on this gear icon will provide you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, locate and select See All Settings. This action will take you to the full settings menu, where you'll be able to make detailed adjustments to your Gmail preferences. Now that you're in the settings, ensure you're under the General tab, which is typically the default view when you first access this page. Scroll down through the various options until you see the section labeled Smart Compose and Smart Compose Personalization. These are the key features we're going to adjust today. In the Smart Compose section, you'll notice options for enabling or disabling writing suggestions. To turn these suggestions on, check the radio button next to Writing Suggestions On. What this does is allow Gmail to offer you sentence suggestions while you're composing emails, helping you craft your messages more efficiently. Next, just below the Smart Compose section, there's Smart Compose Personalization. This feature tailors suggestions based on your writing style, so it's a more customized experience. To activate this, simply check the radio button for personalization on. With this feature enabled, Gmail will provide suggestions that are more aligned with the way you typically communicate. Finally, it's crucial to scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save Changes button. This step ensures that all the adjustments you've made are applied to your Gmail account. Without saving, any changes you've configured will not be implemented. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled custom suggestions in Gmail, which should help make your email writing process more intuitive and tailored to your personal style. Remember, these settings can always be revisited and adjusted to suit your changing needs. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a more streamlined email experience.